Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock trading app using an easy method. First, define your app's core features, such as real-time market data and secure transaction processing. Next, select a robust development platform and a suitable programming language. Finally, integrate reliable financial APIs to ensure accurate and up-to-date market information for your users. This foundational planning is crucial for a successful start. After defining your foundation, focus on essential features. Implement secure user authentication and comprehensive portfolio management tools. Provide users with interactive charting tools and integrated news feeds to help them make informed trading decisions. Crucially, ensure robust security measures are in place to protect all user data and financial assets, building trust and reliability. Now, let's move to development. Build the intuitive front-end user interface and the powerful back-end logic that drives your app. Once developed, conduct thorough testing to ensure all functionalities work perfectly and the app performs efficiently under various conditions. After successful testing and bug fixes, you can confidently deploy your application to major app stores for users to download. To ensure your app's longevity, consider monetization strategies like subscription models or small transaction fees. Remember to continuously update your app with new features and performance improvements based on user feedback. This keeps your app competitive and engaging. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.